How are we doing today? This is a Takamine EE series. Um, I want you to have a good look at this guitar. It's got a fairly sad story behind it. See where the pick has chewed up the sound hole here. And there's your make of it. Let's see, that's an EAN40C. Okay, and you can see they dumped glitter glue into the holes. And now here's the interesting part. Um, I went to a special needs show to watch them play because my niece is blind and she's special needs. And luckily, they have a band for them. And I went to see the band, and one of the girls there, my niece asked me, "Can you look at her guitar?" And she took it out of the case after the show. And I looked at it and I pitied her so bad. Uh, because while she could play, she had little understanding of the guitar itself, which isn't, unheard of when somebody's special needs or they have autism or something like that. It comes in many different forms. But anyway, she didn't understand. And the frets were flat. I mean, completely flat. There was nothing left of the frets. And then I ran my hand across it, and it was like razor blades on the top and bottom. How she managed not to cut her hands up is beyond me. Anyway, of course, she told me, "Well, if you can fix it for me, sir, I get paid next week. I'll have $250, and I can pay." And my heart just dropped. I felt so bad. I mean, this isn't an individual who has a lot of money, um, and she doesn't understand a lot of things about the guitar. She plays it well, but anyway, I just said, you know what? I'll just do it for you. I'll repair it for you, and you don't owe me anything. And she was kind of shocked. She kept telling me I get paid $250 next week. In my heart, I just can't charge for it. But there's a lot of work here. So the best I can do for her is get this where it doesn't fall apart on her. Put the new frets in, and that's it. And here's the second part of it: is I was sitting in my room on the computer looking up information about the guitar, and as I had it in my hand, I was holding it like this, and I felt the fret lifting. Believe it or not, I took every one of these frets out by hand. That I've never had that happen before. Because usually you have to steam these out or heat them up with solder in order to take them out. These, I could literally just lift them out. So, yeah, God bless this girl. You know, I can't let her go on stage and play like that. But there you go. If you ever think you got it bad, think twice, okay? That's it.